Hi babes, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared something a little different from my usual videos. We're going to do a review of this machine that I got a couple of weeks ago. It's from a brand called DEESS, spelled D-E-E-S-S, and it's an IPL machine for hair removal. Since I've already had the chance to try it, I will not only unbox it, but I will also give you my opinion and review at the end of the video. So let's get started. Here's the box, so let's open it. As I told you, I've already used it, so it's not in its original state, but I tried my best to put it back together the way it was. First, we have the user guide. Here is the first part of the machine. Then we have one of the cables. The package includes a pair of glasses because they're necessary if you want to use this machine. You have to use them at all times. And then we have these accessories. It comes with 3. I already installed one, so here are the other 2. We have the base and the other cable and the card with instructions to activate your warranty. As I told you, I already installed the hair removal accessory here. You have to do this when the machine is turned off. By the way, don't forget that. Basically, it's very easy to set up. You just grab this part, plug in this cable here, and then you connect both parts. The cable is quite long, so it's not difficult to use, but I usually do this on the floor because I can rest this safely and I can move around without worrying about dropping this. By the way, when you're not using it, you can leave it like this. To be honest, this is something I'm really excited about. I know it's very different from my usual content, but it's really worth it. I have always wanted to get IPL done, but I actually did a couple of sessions, but I am a massive introvert. I hate being around people, I hate small talk, so going to the salon it's not my favorite activity at all. Besides, since the pandemic started, I have been avoiding all sorts of unnecessary social interactions. So when I was offered this machine, I was super happy and I couldn't wait to try it. This is available on Amazon, and as far as I've checked, it's available on a lot of different countries, so you shouldn't have a problem finding this. It retails for 299 euros in Spain, but there are a lot of offers available all the time and you can take off at least 50 euros, I think. I checked Amazon US as well and it retails for $290 or $99, but there's a huge discount going on right now, so you can always save a lot of money if you look for discounts. 250 is not so expensive considering the amount of money that goes into getting this done professionally. I'm not so sure about prices nowadays because it's been a long time since I last got an IPL session. But last time I checked, just your legs were 100 euros per session and you need at least 6-7. So even if the price is a little bit high, it's really affordable considering what you're getting. To be honest, for me, that I'm super lazy about self-care and stuff like that, anything that can potentially save time for me in the future is something that's worth it, even if it implies spending a little bit of money. So I of course wanted to try it for myself and see if it worked. If you have never gotten any IPL session done, I will give you a little bit of information about how it works. First, you have to shave the area where you want to get the treatment done. Then you get the IPL session. It is painless, so don't worry. Then you get the treatment and you have to wait at least a week or 2 to see results. From a week to 10 days after you get the treatment, your hair will start falling naturally, painlessly, without doing anything. And then only some of that hair will grow back. As you may be thinking, yes, you can see results pretty soon after you start using this machine. For the treatment to be complete, you have to do this every week for at least 6 to 12 weeks, and it will remove at least 90% of your hair, which is obviously great. Now I know this may sound a little bit boring, but I always recommend reading the user guide. One of the most important things that you will read here is that it does not work for everyone. For example, the paler your skin is, the better it's gonna work, and the darker your hair is, the better it's gonna work. The best combination is really pale skin and real dark hair. That's how it's the most effective. If you have slightly dark skin, it may hurt a tiny bit because it will also target the melanin in your skin, but if you have very light skin like me, it won't hurt at all. I've already said this before, but whenever you use this device, you have to use sunglasses. They're included in the package and they're like, you can fold them like that. It's really funny. So please keep that in mind whenever you want to use this. I know since you're relaxed at home, you may forget, but please don't be as absent-minded as I am and use them every single time, because otherwise the light can damage your eyes. As you will see, installing the lamp here is super easy. Like, this is how you remove it, and this is how it looks like. This one is the HR, which is the one to remove hair. It has this little indentation here, and that's the one that goes up and fits this gap in here. Just like that. It's super easy to put on and to remove, even with long fingernails. As you can see, the design is really sleek and it is really beautiful. The materials feel like really high quality and it's really soft to the touch and pretty comfortable to use. It is not heavy, but it feels sturdy and high quality. So in order to turn it on, you just have to press here. You can already hear it, it's super fast. Then you will feel air coming out of here on the sides. Here on the screen, you can see the function. I picked HR for hair removal now. Once you start using it, you will see the number of shots that you've shot. If you press here, you will increase the strength of the laser, and if you press again, you will decrease the strength. It has 5 different settings, and I always try the lowest one and then go from there and increase gradually. If you press this button here, you will activate the automatic function, but if it's not active, you will have to press here every time you have to shoot. Now, one thing I love about it is that it will not work unless it's touching your skin, so it avoids accidentally shooting on your eyes or someone else's eyes, so it's a security measure that I really like. One of my favorite things about it is that it has a cooling function that is, at the same time it's working, it's cooling the machine and it cools your skin, so it doesn't really bother you or give you that feeling of kind of burning. Another pro about this machine is that it has unlimited shots, so you can use this as much as you want. Okay, so let's get started. I like to use the automatic function because it goes a lot faster that way. Then the only thing you have to do is to grab the device and put it on your skin and move it across the area that you want to treat. It's really that simple. Now that I've shown you how it works, I want to talk a little bit about my experience with it, since I've already used it and I've had the chance to see how it works and the results, at least short-term results. I used it for the first time like 10 days ago. I haven't used it since then, but I was waiting to see if the hair would fall or not, and it is falling. Most of my hair has already fallen and it's been only like 10-12 days, I'm not completely sure. But that's really fast because I remember when I got it done professionally, it took almost 2 weeks. So this is a little faster. I'm also happy I had the experience of IPL, the professional salon, so I can compare both. And I can basically tell you it is the same results, same process. For this one, you don't need any kind of gel. It says on the box, do not use gel, because it can stain the machine. So no, you don't need anything, and because it has the cooling system, you won't feel that burning sensation. It's specially designed so you don't have to use any cooling gel or anything else, which is great. For an at-home system, I'm pretty happy. I'm honestly impressed. I didn't expect results so fast. Although this machine is designed to last very long, I'm sure you're wondering about the accessories, like these ones. If for some reason you misplace them or they break, you can easily find replacements. I already checked that, and AliExpress has official ones and they're very cheap. They ship for free, so you don't really have to worry about that. Even though I'm pretty sure these are going to last very long. If something happens to them, you don't have to worry about anything because you can easily find them for very little money. So that was everything for this video. I hope you liked it, even if it was completely different from my other content. I got this machine for free, but that does not affect my opinion because the results are pretty obvious. So I'm really happy with it. I know the price is a little bit high, but considering what you get for it, I don't think it's expensive at all. The quality feels really great, it's effective, and I am basically pretty happy with it. I actually wish I could say something even if it was slightly bad about it, because this is starting to sound like an ad, but it's not, it's just a review. It was something I really wanted to have. I'm really happy I finally got it because I was looking at different ones. I'm super happy I got the chance to get this for free because I was really looking forward to buying one of these machines. I can't wait for 6 or 7 weeks to go by so I can start seeing the final results, but as I told you, I'm already seeing some results and I'm really happy about it. So before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it and what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!